In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo grids in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to drop multiple images into a clean, consistent layout in just a few clicks, perfect for collages, mood boards, or quick social posts. Start by opening the Canva project where you want the grid. Once your design is on screen, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. This is the hub for shapes, graphics, frames, and, most importantly for us, grids. Under Browse Categories, you'll see a section labeled Grids. Click that, and Canva will reveal a library of ready-made photo grid formats. You'll notice a wide range of options, from simple 2-image splits to complex mosaics, plus grids with different aspect ratios and orientations. Pick the grid that matches your layout needs and click it to add it to your canvas. If it fills the entire page, that's okay. Grids are designed to snap nicely to the edges for a clean look. You can still resize by dragging the corners or reposition it to suit your design. With your grid in place, it's time to add photos. Head to your Uploads panel if you've already added your own images, or use Canva's Photos tab to search for stock visuals. Simply drag a photo from the side panel onto a cell in the grid. The image will automatically snap into that frame and crop itself to fit. Repeat the process, dragging a different photo into each frame until every spot is filled. If a photo isn't positioned exactly how you want, double-click inside the frame and drag the image to adjust its placement. You can also scale it up or down within the frame to highlight the most important part of the picture. Want to swap an image? Just drag a new one over the same frame and drop. It will replace the existing photo instantly. For a more polished look, aim for visual balance as you fill the grid. Mix close-ups with wider shots, keep consistent color tones, and avoid placing two very similar images side by side unless that's the style you're going for. If your grid sits on a colored or textured background, make sure the overall contrast feels comfortable and the photos stand out. That's all there is to it. Open your project, find grids and elements, choose a layout, and drag your photos into the frames. With a little attention to composition and alignment, you'll have a professional-looking photo grid in minutes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating clean, cohesive layouts with Canva's grids.